cabinets, but they seem too low, and there is about 11 inches of negative space. The plan is to elevate them on a platform. Not only it will be pleasing to the eye, but also it will create additional storage. Let me show you the process. Yeah.